Hello everyone. Today I am doing the sour diesel by DANK Vapes and against my Trigeminal Neuralgia. I already had them tried it out and everything already, and so far it's good. It's straight. And again though, it only helps with the little bitty pains. It doesn't help with the big flares. If you have a big flare, it's just like with the medicine. Like it's not gonna work either. But what I have been doing is like every hour or every other hour, I'll just take one hit of the of my vape pen, the THC one, and then for all the rest during the day, I do the CBD oil at 600 strength, and it's kind of getting a little bit better. I think what it is that my body got to get used to all these different stuff that I'm trying to ease the pain or whatever. But so far, this one tastes better than the that candy cane vapes from Platinum Vapes. That was horrible. That was a horrible THC one. But I tried several of the CBD ones. I don't think you can go wrong with that. So far, I've had a bunch of different brands, and it's been okay. But your first couple of hits of the sour diesel, you is going to choke. And I know the coughing with our Trigeminal Neuralgia, it is a beast, but it's gonna be worth it though. This is better than any of the meds I done took so far, but you got to keep on it all day, and you got to keep on it all day. It's got to be available in the state that you're in, and you're capable of doing it.